Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to your favorite channel Tech Job. Today we are going to see a new job opportunity from Honeywell. So the job position is for software engineer and the job location is in Bangalore. So the key responsibility for you is integration, software architecture and coding, requirement and design test, and you must have a bachelor degree in engineering or computer science. So passing year is not mentioned here, so if you are from 2020, 2019 or 2021 batch, you can apply for this job. Link is in description box. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Job and share this